This is your Swapnil Bharti, and we are here at SUSECon in Nashville, Tennessee. And today we have with us Dr. DeMaio from OpenSUSE community. This is the second time we are sitting in front of the camera and talking.
Last time was in Prague.
That was in Prague. And so I think the next OpenSUSE conference is coming up.
It is, yeah. It's going to be May 24th through 26th in Nuremberg.
Perfect. So what is going to be the highlight for this OpenSUSE conference?
Well, for the OpenSUSE conference, we have 3 keynote speakers. Thomas DiGiacomo is going to be there giving a talk.
Oh, Thomas will be there too?
Thomas will be there giving a talk, basically like what SUSE is doing and, and how they work with OpenSUSE. And
do OpenSUSE people, let SUSE people come into their events?
Well, actually, the community asked for him to be there.
Okay, because as much as SUSE is independent on the equity, OpenSUSE is independent too.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, exactly.
And what is the funnest stuff you'll have? Last time we have a dance by Andrew Waffa. With the lightning beer talk. I think this year it won't be beer talk. It will be something.
So this year, since Christian's going to run it this year and he likes wine, we ended up changing it to lightning beer and wine, not wine talks.
Yeah, and it's good for me because I'll just switch from beer to wine. But if I'm in Germany, I will be drinking beer too. So I don't know whether I'll be taking any videos there. I'll be just drinking wine because if he's there, I'll be doing that.
Yeah.
Beyond that, is it like 2-day event, 3-day event? What is it?
It's a 3-day event, and of course, there's the pre-party the day before.
Right. So why should somebody go, or who should go there to the event?
Well, basically,
not the party part, but the
I mean, it's a big party, and you learn a lot and you meet a lot of people. So I mean, the people that could or should come are just any developers across the ecosystem. We have a few developers from Fedora that will be there. Of course,
last year also be there, yeah.
Also last year, and of course we co-sponsor our events as well. But whether they're from Debian, whether they're from Ubuntu.
I mean, I'm talking like in particular, like any technologies or something.
Well, what I did notice this year with the talks is that we have a lot of stuff centered on containers. Kubernetes.
And this is container next door.
Yeah, right there. So I mean that's fairly big that I've noticed, and just I think it was DNF. Neil Gupta, I believe he's doing DNF.
Okay.
So, I mean, just
a lot of open source technologies, so if you're into open source technologies, there'll be something about OpenQA, I'm sure. There's something about OBS, I'm sure.
Yes.
There'll be a lot of OpenSUSE specific, but also in general, open source centric technology that will be.
Because across the spectrum.
Because the thing is, if you look at OpenSUSE community, people are cross-pollinating, the projects as well. So it's very vibrant,
Yeah.
And that's why I want to be there, and every year I like to be there.
And it's renovated. So from the last time we were there, like 2 years ago, it's renovated. So it's expanding.
Right.
But the population right now, I mean, we have 193 as of yesterday signed up, but I expect that to grow to the normal 300 or so, 250 people probably.
So if I give you like 30 seconds of a pitch, why people should come to this conference. This is your...
Well, yeah, just come to the OpenSUSE conference. You'll have a lot of fun. You'll meet a lot of people that work on very similar things that you do. And if you need help with a project, that's a place to talk about that with the community, open source community. We have a great video team, so I mean the videos that you would anyone that presented, that's a space to really get that out to the open source community.
Right, and I'll be there, so I'll be doing all the interviews as well.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so come for swap.
Thanks for that shameless plug. But once again, Doug, thank you so much for and we'll see you again in a few weeks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
6 weeks or so.